Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Scorpios. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Scorpios, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr, and I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her if you are interested. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Nine of Swords, the Empress and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So today in your circumstances, Scorpios, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you feel really inspired to do something. Maybe you are thinking of a new career path, or you are thinking about something you are really passionate about. You feel really inspired or cheerful about this new path or a new career. Something you are planning to do today. And maybe in your circumstances, you are also worried about something. You have a lack of clarity regarding certain things. You don't know how things will turn out for you, maybe in your work or it may be in this relationship, how things are going to change, or what will be this person's reaction, or what will be their decision regarding something. So there are some circumstances unfolding in your life today which you are unable to handle. Situation is out of control and you're worried, anxious about it. You don't know what you will do or what you will be able to do. So you're thinking about it, you're desperate, you want to change the way things are going today, and maybe the reasons may be for this circumstance. Maybe you trusted someone too much and this person is not someone to be trusted. They are not reliable, they are not trustworthy. That is the reason you feel this way today. You feel really desperate. You want to come out of the situation but you don't find the way out. So there is lack of clarity, doubt, confusion, a lot of worries. You are just worried and you are thinking within yourself why you trusted this person in the first place and why you went for this choice or decision in this connection. So maybe this person does not love you, or they are least bit bothered about you, they are least bit concerned about you. That is the reason you feel this way in this relationship. A difficult situation, disappointment is what you see. You are really disappointed with this person. You believe them to be something and they are something else, and you feel really sad and worried because you trusted the wrong person. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. This may be what you feel or what this person feels about you. it's Two of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe this person is telling you their decision. Maybe they have made a decision, they have made up their mind, and they will tell you what they are thinking today. So for most of you, I think it is going to be bad news today, Scorpios. But you need not worry, Scorpios. When things are bad, it just means that there are better things waiting to unfold in your life. So for your career situation, let's see what is the card. It's Nine of Cups. So you have happiness, contentment, emotional satisfaction and joy. In your career, so things are going as it should. Things are happening as it should. Maybe good offers and opportunities are reaching you, and you are really happy about your situation in your career. So that is what I see with these cards, and that is the reading for you all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have fairies, words. So words are the most powerful things, guys. We all know that. So with this card, the energy is that maybe you should watch your thoughts within your head and change them, and to speak the words of beauty. So this does not mean that you have to flatter someone or give into falsehoods. It is the energy here is to find the beauty within yourself, find the beauty in the people and the world around you, in every situation, and speak with this beauty and from this beauty within you. To do this, you must change the ugliness or the distortions you have in your mind, the ugly thoughts, whatever it is, that poisonous from within. So we must give up all those toxic thoughts we have. So there is work to be done at a deeper level in your mind. So when you have worked your mind, your consciousness, the words that fall from your lips, it will be like jewels falling from the lips of this princess here. So it is that external evidence of your inner beauty. So you need to work at the deeper level first. Give up all the toxic thoughts you have and find that beauty within yourself. That beauty is going to come out in the words you speak. So you need to do that work, and you have that beauty in you to offer this world. So just like rain falls from the clouds, something beautiful will come out of you if you have that inner beauty. And also, good deeds are always rewarded. So no matter what you do, maybe it may be something small or something big, whatever it is, when you do something good, it comes back to you definitely. And there is someone in your circumstance who needs your help, and You are a very kind and compassionate person. You are thinking of helping this person, maybe for some of you. And imitating someone is not the way for success. Being like someone else is not going to take you anywhere. All you need to do is change yourself from deep within, give up all the negativity you have, and embrace your beauty within yourself. That is going to change you, that is going to change your circumstance and the world around you. So, that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So, I will keep this card aside. So, we will see what is the second card. Sorry, guys. Poised. So, with this card, it just means that you are confident about yourself today, confident about your skills and talents, confident about the way you are today. You are ready, you have come to this place, you are wise, knowledgeable, and you have a feeling that something new or some new phase of your life is beginning. And people respond to your confidence and they trust you. And this may also be the auspicious time for you to begin something new. So, in your relationship also, if you're confident and happy in your own skin, you're ready for a deeper and more intimate relationship. And there is nothing to prove right now. You are completely yourself and you can handle anything. Love, friendship, or all those new connections that are coming right now towards you. You are ready to receive love and give love from your heart. And this is a very beautiful place to be. So you have that balance and that harmonious outlook on life, confidence that is going to help you to face any circumstance today in this relationship, to be that person you want to be. You are at the best right now. That is what this card is about. And there is something new coming in your life today. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you like this reading and it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.